In this video, I'm going to show you how to rotate page in Affinity. So there's actually two ways of doing it. Let me show you both. The first one is when you actually are on a page here, just go to Document up top, hover over Setup, and then click on Document Setup. And then in here, you basically just want to change the page width and page height. So you just want to switch them. So here, I'm going to put 210 up here, and I'm going to put 297 at the bottom. And if I now click on OK, it's going to flip it over. So that's actually one way to do it. Now, the second way is by doing it manually. You want to go to Edit up top, and then you want to go to the Settings button down here at the bottom, and then you want to switch over to Tools. And inside Tools, it's going to say Enable Canvas Rotation with Alt plus Scroll Wheel. So make sure this is enabled and click on Close. Hold down your Alt key on your keyboard and then just use your mouse scroll wheel, and this is going to start rotating your page over here in Affinity. Okay, so you can just rotate it to the point where you want it to actually be, and then you can release it and your page has been rotated. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.